guys, so today I'm gonna be doing unboxing slash first impression slash demonstrating a review maybe. Yeah, so I went ahead and I ordered some stuff from Macy's. They had like a 15% off. Here's a box. It just came. This is how the box looks like. It just came from mail. I think it took like 3 days, 4 days. It was really quick. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this box for you guys. My tweezer. I'm gonna go ahead and strip the box open. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. I'm very excited because I nothing discounted, but I guess Macy had 15% off on beauty stuff, and they had a lot of stuff on there. So yeah, and I did say in my Snapchat, if you guys did buy it, you know, I want to know what you guys bought too. Let me know. So this is how it looks. There is my little thing right here, what I bought, and then I have a coupon. They gave me extra 20% off, and then what is this? But there's some liner stuff, which I'm not gonna use. It probably the same. And then there's this cooking hello $50 gift card. Okay, and then so my stuff, it's way on the bottom there. You can see it's wrapped up really good. So I'm gonna get it out. I'm just gonna put a little box on the ground. So I'm very excited to see if everything came safe, and I'll go ahead and open this. This is my first impression seeing everything. So they gave me this little sample. This came with my stuff. It was free. I didn't buy this, but yeah, it was free. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It's like a mirror. Came with the mirror. They gave me a free mirror, and they gave me a free lip gloss. And they gave me this little perfume for free. White tea. Where is this right here? That's how the box looks like. Amrezy highlighter. Wow. The packaging, it's very beautiful. It has like gold on the sides. It says an illuminating powder with an ultra smooth formula, radiant finish. Ooh. Okay, so it comes with the mirror, and that's how it looks. Wow, I'm in love with that. Like kind of like a wavy. See, I think you see it like this. There's like a wavy design on the powder. Give you guys a swatch. I'm gonna go ahead in the corner. It's so beautiful that I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and then. It feels very smooth. And then I'm gonna do a swatch in the back of my hand. It's very smooth and nice. And then let me show you the other one. It's the soft Glam. It came with, and then there's like a little picture shows you how the palette's gonna look like. Oh wow. Wow. So the packaging, when you open it, it has the same texture, has the modern Renaissance, and this color, it's beautiful. I love it. I don't want to drop. It comes with the brush. I actually use these brushes, are really nice. And then inside the palette it comes with this little see-through thing, and then you have, that's how it looks like. I'm actually gonna swatch matte colors and there's an instruction: an everyday to night palette with the 14 shades, including essential mattes and glam shimmers. That's what it says. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch. Some of these colors, they are in the modern Renaissance because they look really familiar. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Mulberry. Yeah, Mulberry. I'm gonna swatch that for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it here. Orange Soda. And I'm gonna swatch the darkest they have here. Yeah, as you can see, the swatches, they're really beautiful. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the shimmer ones. So I did a swatch on the browns, sultry, and rose pink. Go ahead and use this in my cheeks really quick. So these brushes, I'll do a review on it too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on my nose. You know what? I'll spray my brush this time. I'm gonna use my MAC. This is without spraying, and then I'm gonna do this side with spraying. Very beautiful and subtle. And if you want to make it very glowy, like, you know, very glowy, you're gonna have to like spray your brush. So I went ahead and I sprayed my brush. This is without spray, this is with the spray. Without spray, without spray. But I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more this side. Like this one would work for any skin tone. Amrezy, you did a good job, girl. I love it. What do you guys think? Really like it. I really like this palette. Let me actually get some of the Amrezy palette, and I'm gonna get some of it. I'm gonna get some of this highlighter and put it right there. I'm just gonna go and put it right here a little bit, just to brighten up. Anyways, I am done. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. And so I bought this too. This is the Brow Wiz and Dark Brown. I love this. It's very beautiful. This is nothing new. And Anastasia had it in their website for a very long time. But these two items are new. They just came out. They've just been released. So yeah, I mean, if you have the Modern Renaissance, I wouldn't even bother to buy this. But if you don't, I would suggest you to buy this. It's very beautiful palette. You could just take this with you when you're going for traveling or anything, and with this highlighter, and you're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see more unboxing and review like this, really quick review, let me know. Make sure I do more of those. And yeah, thanks for watching my video, and you guys have a really nice, wonderful day or night. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and share this video and thumbs up to this video for more video. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon. So all right, thank you guys. Kept up. Well, this foundation, I think it's really nice, but it's not full coverage.